Hey, what's up, y'all? Fried Up Friday, y'all. So every other Friday, we gonna be doing either a fried dish in the air fryer, or we gonna be frying something up on the stove or in the deep fryer, y'all. But anyway, this week, we doing potatoes, y'all. And more specifically, we doing potato wedges. So, we gonna do some air fried potato wedges. They gonna be so good and tasty. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So yeah, y'all, we just gonna start off by going ahead and cutting our potatoes up in wedges. Now that's a pretty simple process. All we gonna do is cut them in half. Then we gonna cut them into quarters, y'all. Pretty easy. But anyway, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. You know what that is, right? That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, hey, welcome. Glad that you're here. Hope that you come back and visit me some other time. But anyway, as you can see, we just simply cut straight down the middle of the potato. Then cut a quarter. Then we go to half. Now because it's comfortable for the way that I cut, I flip it around and I cut the other quarter off. One more time, y'all. Check it out. Straight in half, quarter, quarter. And that's all to it, y'all. So now we ready to get our potato wedges into some boiling water. Now the purpose of boiling our potatoes first is it's gonna make them more creamier on the inside. So this is just gonna be really a quick blanch. We're only gonna boil these for about 2 minutes and we're gonna get them right out of there. So after our 2 minutes have passed, it's time to go ahead and get our potatoes out, y'all. So let's get them out. And of course, we had another batch to put in, so let's get those in. So once we get all our potatoes boiled, we're gonna go ahead and rinse them with some cold water. That's just so we can cool those potatoes down. Now when you take your first batch out, you want to cool them down. And when you take your second batch out, you want to go ahead and get them cooled down. Let that water drain. And then we're going to get them into a bowl so we can start seasoning them up. So we're going to start off with some olive oil. That's just to help the seasoning stick. And that's going to help crisp up that potato in our air fryer. So let's go and rain on them with some salt. And after we rain on them, we're going to mix every time. That way we ensure that seasoning is coated throughout the whole of all our potatoes. Now after salt, we're going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. Now you can use regular paprika or smoked paprika, whichever one you prefer. Next, we're gonna come in with a little bit of that cayenne, and we're gonna hit that cayenne on that potato, and that's gonna give us a little bit of spicy flavor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And last, but certainly not least, we gonna come in with our herb blend. Now our herb blend is oregano, basil, and a little bit of rosemary, all dried of course. And we gonna really mix this all together. And after we got everything mixed together and we got all the seasoning all over the potatoes, we gonna turn on our air fryer and get it preheated. So of course we're gonna set our air fryer to air fry, and we're gonna set it for 425 degrees for 20 minutes. So after our air fryer has preheated, we're gonna get our air fryer basket out of the fryer, and we gonna get our taters into that basket, y'all. Oh my goodness, this finna be so tasty, so tasty. Get that closed up, and I'll see you in about 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes have passed, we wanna hit it up with our little spritzy spritz. Just get a little extra oil and make sure those potatoes come out really crisp. Then we want to give it a shaky shake and get it back on in there, y'all. Get it back on in there so it can finish crisping up. And guess what, y'all? They ready. They ready. Oh my goodness, look at those there. They look so tasty. Check them out, y'all. Don't they look good? Now with mine, I just had me a little ketchup in the center to dip in. And hey, y'all might think I'm a little strange with this, but I ain't gonna lie, I had me a little mustard on the side. I like to go back and forth and dip into each one. And sometimes I even have some salsa, and some guac. But anyway, these are real tasty. And look at that tater. Don't it look golden brown and crispy and delicious? Oh my goodness. I sure know it was tasty, because it was so tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.